Hi, hope you're doing well. So in this lecture, we are going to add some God rays, like in the concept, and also add some lights. Now I'm going to go to render mode here so we can see what we're doing. First, I'm going to select these windows, both of them, and Shift D to duplicate them. Once duplicated, make sure to delete the material. Now, what happens here, even though we don't see them in render mode, the original windows are still there. That's because they are instances, meaning any modification we make to these will also affect the others, and we don't want that. So I'm going to undo with Ctrl Z and make sure to rename this one Rays, just to keep things organized. Then go to Object, go to Relations, and click on Make Single User for Object, Data, and Material. Now, if we delete the emissive material and move the object, you can see they are no longer linked to the original windows. This way, we can work on these new ones without affecting the others. Now, I'm going to create a new collection, name it Lights. And move all the lights into this folder. I'll hide everything else, select the God rays, and go to Object Properties. Under Viewport Display, change it to wireframe so it's easier to work with. Then go to Edit Mode, select the face, and extrude with E. Just a little bit, something around here. Right now, we've extruded both sides because we still have the mirror modifier on X and Y. We don't need it on the Y-axis, so I'll disable it, then hide everything again and select just the God rays. In Edit mode, I'll select the vertices and scale them a bit just to tweak the shape. Now, we need to add a material to them. I'll rename the material to God rays. Since we made these unique, it automatically created a duplicate material, so I'll rename that as well. In the shader editor, go to volume and add a principled volume shader. Now we can start seeing some effect. I'll make the color a little brighter, adjust the density to around 0.2, and now you can see the God rays showing up. If you want a cleaner view, just click this button here to hide the overlays. Now the effect is clearer. Next, I'll add some lights. First, I'll move the 3D cursor to one of the candles. Shift A creates a point light. Then zoom in and move it up with G-Z. I'll increase the intensity to around 50 and give it a warm color. Now I'll duplicate it using Alt-D because I want these lights to be instances, meaning any changes to one will affect all of them. I'll place one here, another one over here, and maybe another one near this vase. I'll move the vase slightly to adjust the composition. Let's check the camera view. If you ever lose the camera view, make sure in the view panel you enable lock camera to view. That way when you move around, you won't accidentally move out of your frame. I'll adjust the camera a bit, move the vise, and tweak the placement slightly. Now, to make sure I don't accidentally move the camera again, I'll select it, go to the Item tab and lock the transforms. Now it stays in place. Finally, I'll go to the render properties and bake the lighting again. For now, this is looking good. In the next video, we'll start adding colors to our meshes using vertex color. I'll show you how to do that next. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.